Hi, I'm Isaac. Today I'm having my photo taken. So I sit still, hold my head up. What's that? Hello. I like going up and going down, in and out, and I'm still just a puppy, but one day I'll be a hearing dog and change the life of a deaf person. Look at what some of my mates can do already. They can alert a deaf person to important sounds and danger signals and make them feel happier and more independent too. Sponsor me from £3 a month and follow my training. You'll get regular updates on how I'm doing and lots of photos of me as I grow.
Visit www.hearingdogs.org.uk/Isaac and sponsor Isaac from as little as £3 a month. Thank you.